Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Freedom. Freedom comes from inner liberation. Honesty. I am honest with myself and others, creating authentic connections with relationships. I speak my truth with compassion and integrity, fostering trust and understanding. By being genuine and transparent, I invite deeper connections and cultivate a supportive network that enriches my life. Amplifying productivity. I optimize my time and energy for maximum productivity. I prioritize tasks based on their importance and consistently make progress towards my goals. I complete tasks efficiently and effectively, achieving great results. You will soon be surprised and grateful for how everything happened the way it did for you to receive better and greater. It's all adding up in your favor. Trust the process and how things are unfolding for you. Control issues. Fear of losing power or false security leads to vulnerability. Release, trust, empowerment. Rising flames. Let your passion guide you to the fulfilling purpose meant for you. Ignite your soul. Embrace the mysteries of life. Stay open-minded and embrace the wisdom that unfolds from every experience. I will prioritize myself when I need to. Grounding my energy. It is safe to be in my body. "24. Our beautiful planet. Restore the natural world." "4. Family relationships. Attune heart to heart." How will you be connecting more with people in your life? See witch's lair. Confront the shadows within. Let the alchemy of your soul transform darkness into light. Dreaming, curious messages, endless possibilities. Alrighty, let's take some quotes out of here today. I just want to walk around and point out cute things for the entire day. Oh, a cute bird. Oh, love in the sun. Cute flowers. Perspective number 88. The hardest truth to accept? You already know what to do. You're just hoping you won't have to. Perspective number 49. When you become a parent, your voice isn't just guidance. It's an architecture. It builds the walls they think inside, the tone they trust or fear, the way they speak to themselves for the rest of their life. Puttering, the act of doing dozens of little chores that no one knows needs to be done, that no one wants to do and no one notices, have been done. Repeat this often to yourself. I am worthy of love and respect. I attract loving and supportive relationships. I can communicate openly and honestly with others. I deserve healthy and loving relationships. Unspoken needs, unprocessed emotions, unacknowledged betrayals. These weigh more than any to-do list. Corey Mascara. Carl Jung's perspective number 104. Where your fear is, there is your task. And the last one for today, perspective number 4220. It's not your job to change what happened to you when you were a child. It's your job to choose how you respond today as an adult. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.